Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we saw how to generate the Spring Boot application project. We have downloaded the generated project. We have downloaded this project zip file. I, I am going to copy and put it to my favorite drive. So you can select whatever drive you want. So I'm going to put into my G drive. I'm going to paste on here. So here this is my app. Now this zip file I'm going to make it as a normal folder. So I want to extract this. So if you are not installed the WinYAR software, you must install. Then only if you are right click on this folder, you can see here this option will be there. So I'm going to extract files. Click OK. Now here this file now extracted well. It become a normal folder. So if you double click here inside this folder, we have a my app. This file we have to open on the IntelliJ IDEA. We have to open on the IntelliJ IDEA. So let me see. I'm going to open up my IntelliJ IDEA. This is the editor we are used to write the Spring Boot application. This is a professional editor for writing the Java application codes. Now I'm going to open up my project into my IntelliJ IDEA. So what you're going to do is go to the file, open option. Here you have to select where your file is resided. Here you can select it where your file is resided. So my file is resided on the G drive. So I'm going to go to the here. This is your all the folder is show your all the drivers. Here I have put into my G drive. So select the G drive. Click on this arrow to expand it. So what is the name of your project? You have to select my app. So you have to select as a my app. Here this is a my app. Here some my app. This is my project my app. Click on here. Don't open this one. Okay, this folder you don't open it here. Go inside here. Inside you can see here. This is our project. Inside this folder, we have another folder which is a my app. That folder, you have to open it. You must open that folder. Don't open that folder. Inside this my app folder, there will be another folder called with my app. You open this folder. Inside this folder, all the project is there. Click OK. Trust project. I'm going to open up this window. Now you have to wait until all the you can see the taskbar, all the dependency. What are the dependencies you are selected? All the dependency will be installed. Right? You have to wait. Okay, here you can see this all the things will be installing. You have to wait. Okay, it installed successfully. Here you can see this is your folder structure. You can see. I hope you guys you understood well. I'll see you in my next lecture. Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we saw how to open the project into IntelliJ IDEA. Let's continue the video. So here, this is my project name, my app. You can see here, this is a name which we given in our Spring Boot application. So this is a name we have given while configure the project. Here you can say inside the project, you can see here, there will be the folder which is SRC. Inside the SRC folder, you can see here the main folder. Let me expand the main folder. We have a two different files. One is a Java, another one is a resources. You can see here. If you expand the Java folder, you can see here com.springboot This is the package we created. Here, this is the package we created inside the Java folder. There's a package has been created. Com Spring Boot class.myapp. This is the package we have configured while we configuring the project. We we gave. Inside this package, there will be the class which will be created defaultly my app application. If you double click and open up, here inside this class, we have a main method. You can see the main method public static void main. Void main. This is the main method will be created. That's it. Right. After that, you can see here, there will be there another folder which is a resources. This resources folder, if you expand it, you can see here there are two various folders, static and templates. There is another important file which is application.properties. This file which will be used to configure the database connection. We'll see in our next video how to configure the database connection, how to create the database. All the things we will be discussed in my next video. Right. Now let's look at the another important file you can see here. There is a form.xml. This is a very essential file of the Spring Boot application. If you open up this file, you can see here the dependencies. You can see the there's an area called dependencies. What this all things are string configuration. What are the configuration you are did while you creating the generate the Spring Boot application project? Here you can see here is a package, artifact ID. Here what is the version? All the things are here. Java version, what the version you are selected. All the things are there. After that, you can see here there is a section called dependencies. Dependencies. We have added the three dependencies while we generate the Spring Boot application. Those are JPA, MySQL connector, and web. You can see here. This is a JPA dependencies. This is a web dependency. This is a MySQL connector dependencies. The three dependencies you can select here. There are three dependencies is there. You can see here. If you want to add more dependency, you have to add it here inside this inside these dependencies. Here, if you want to add any other dependencies, you can add it over here. Later we will see how to add the dependencies. I hope you guys you understood the things well. I'll see you in my next lecture. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. In this video, I am going to teach how to add the dependencies. So here, imagine you have to forget to add the dependency as MySQL connector. So how to add the dependencies? So you have to go to the Google's. Here you have to type Maven. Okay, Maven. You have to type MySQL connector. Press enter key on your keyboard. Here you can see here there is a website which name is Maven repository. Click on this first link. It will take you to this page for getting the dependency. You can see here the dependencies here. There are many dependencies there. Now you can see don't select as the first one to these ones. Okay, you have to select as below version. So here you can select this. So here will be selected this. Okay, here you have to select at this, right? 8.0.20. You have to select this one. Okay, you can select one of these. What a problem? No problem. You can. I have selected this. So you can see here. Here, some Maven here. You can select the Maven dependency here. You will be able to select here. Here, you can select it here. The dependencies. So here, how to add the dependencies? So here, I am going to remove this MySQL connect dependency. I have removed it. So after remove it, I am going to apply here the Maven. Whatever changes you are did it in the form.xml file, it asks to if you have to click this button to load the changes to apply. If you click on this, the changes will be applied here. Now the changes will be applied here. The changes will be applied. Right. Now I'm going to add this one. So here this one. What I'm going to do is I just copy it, select. I'm going to select it, copy, right click, copy back to my IntelliJ IDEA form.xml file. You have to paste inside this dependencies. Okay, I'm going to paste inside the dependency. I'm going to paste it. That's it. So I paste it. After paste it, don't forget to click on this button. You must click on this button to apply the changes. Then only the changes will be applied in your project. If you are forget it, it won't apply. It won't work. So if you click on this, now you can see the dependencies. This dependency is applied. Okay. Now the dependency has been applied. Perfect. Right. Now your dependency has been applied successfully. This how you have applied the dependencies. If you want to forget the dependencies, you have to apply the dependency. You have to get the dependency like this. Okay. So this how you have get the dependency. I hope you understood the things well. There is a side which is a Maven repository. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next lecture.